welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna make origamis. We need to turn the A4 size paper into square size paper. Now I'm gonna make an origami dog. Here's my result, and this is how you make an origami dog. So, now I'm gonna make an origami cat. First, you fold your paper. Okay. How we make a cat origami. Now I'm gonna make an origami fox. I'm gonna fold here. This is how you make a fox, an origami fox. This is how you make origamis. Simple and easy. So, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye.